Mabuhay. Thank you for calling Batilio Hotel. This is Kenneth speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I would like to make a reservation for third weekend of September. Do you have any vacancies?
Certainly, sir. Let me check and see what room are available. May I have your full name, please? So I can address you properly.
This is Dave Justin.
Thank you for that information, Mr. Dave Justin. Upon checking our system, we have several rooms available for you on the particular weekend. May I know what is the exact date of your arrival?
On the 24th.
How long will you be staying, sir?
Just a couple of nights.
For how many people is the reservation, sir?
Will be two of us.
Do you need a room with one bed or two?
One queen size bed, please.
Would you care for a room with a balcony?
A balcony will suit my needs just fine. What's the rate for the room?
Right, sir, we have available deluxe room with a balcony for good for 2 packs and discount with complimentary breakfast for 2. It costs 7,500 per night. Your room is $590 per night. Now, what name will the reservation be listed under?
Dave Justin.
Your last name is Castillo. Did I get correct?
Yes, that is correct.
And is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
My cell phone number is 0915-86-80-775.
Great. Now I need your credit card information to reserve the room for you. What type of card is it?
Visa, the number is 987654321.
And what is the name of the card holder?
Dave Justin.
Okay, Mr. Castillo, your reservation has made for the 24th of September for room with a double bed and view of the ocean. Check in as 2 o'clock. If you have any other question, please do not hesitate to call us.
Great, thank you so much.
My pleasure. We'll see you in September, Mr. Castillo. Have a nice day. Good afternoon. Welcome to Batilio Hotel. How may I help you?
Reservation for today is under the name of Castillo.
Can you please spell that for me, sir?
Castillo.
Mr. Dave Justin, we reserve a double room for you with a view of the ocean for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
And we already have your credit card information on file. If you just sign the receipt along the bottom, please.
$590 a night.
We are a 5-star hotel after all.
I'm here on business anyway, so at least I'm staying on the company's dime what included in this cost anyway.
Continental buffet every morning, free airport shuttle service, and use of the hotel stay are all included.
Not included in the price.
Well, you will find a minibar. Your room use of will be charged to your account. Also, the hotel provides room service.
So what room I'm in?
487, here is your key. To get your room, take the elevator on the right up the 4th floor. Turn left once you exit the elevator and your room will be on the left hand side. The bellboy will bring your bags up shortly.
Okay, thanks.
Have any question or request, please dial 0 from your room. Also, there is internet available in the lobby 24 hours a day. Sir, have a wonderful stay at the Batilio Hotel.
Good morning, sir. I'm Alexis Coronel. I'm your butler for today. May I help you with your luggage, sir?
Yes, please.
Would you check if all your luggage are complete before you proceed to your room?
Okay, it's okay.
This way, sir.
Enjoy your stay with us.
Great, but will you get me to the airport on time? Next.
Do you have a free airport shuttle service? It showed. The next shuttle leaves in 15 minutes and it takes approximately 25 minutes to get to the airport.
I just wait in the area. Will you please tell me now when it will be leaving?
Of course, sir. Oh, before you go, you'll be able to settle your bill on minibar bill.
Oh yeah, certainly. How much will that be? Next.
See, the bills comes to $37.50. How would you like to pay for that?
I pay with my Visa thanks, but I need a receipt so I can charge it to my company.
Absolutely. Here we are, sir. If you like, you can leave your bags with the porter and he can load them onto the shuttle for you when it arrives.
So that would be great. Thank you.
Like to sign the hotel guest book to while you wait.
Sure, I had a really good stay here and I tell other people to come here.
That's good to hear. Thank you again for staying in Badillo Hotel.